Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to make a web project, our first web project. So I will open file to my VS Code and let's start to make it. I will start my website to the boil update of VS Code, or you can emit observation. So in element observation you don't need to write heading HTML head or bottom, simply shift and 1, that's all. And first thing you can do is give a title to your website. I give the title coders because this is a coding website. Now first thing that you see in your website or another website, that is, let's open for example Flipkart. That is a nav bar. So we're gonna make a nav bar, navigation. If save and refresh it, you see our title is there. So in first tag I will give a nav tag and a ID to it, nav bar. To my purpose to give ID and class to the element, that is help in targeting the element in CSS and JavaScript. Okay, hope you will understand it later when we use CSS and JavaScript to the project. So now we're gonna do this, structuring this project with HTML. UL tag with a class name. It's your wish to give class or ID or name to class or ID. Now this is the emit observation, another emit observation of VS Code, right? So in this we're gonna do this, give 4 li tags because I want 4, and in li tag give a tag, sorry, like this. Copy this and paste in every li tag that you can. Sorry, I comment out it by mistake, and copying it again, sorry, pasting it again like this. Nice. And yeah, sorry, I just comment out again. And yeah, we done. So now this is in your hand. Give a name to your anchor tags or a tags. I gave home, about, services, and contact us. This is the page we gonna make throughout the series of this project. Hope you're understanding my course. And we're gonna do this, we're gonna give a title to this. So give a title class. This is helping in targeting CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so title, I write my website title like coders. Sorry, by mistake, wrong title. And save it, refresh it. Now this is our structure of our navbar. Now do the makeup of navbar. With the style tag, I use internal CSS. It is upon you to use external or inline or internal CSS. So style tag and first target navbar. So the ID is targeted by hashtag in the CSS. Now we're gonna do this, give display flags. Display flags and now that's it. Now we move to navbar UL. Now you are thinking of why I did not use the class name navlist. It is upon your choice. You can use the direct ID name or you can use the navbar UL. Okay. So in this display flags also, because but horizontally align, and that's it. Save it and refresh it and check it. Now this is look really bad, but don't worry, we'll do its makeup properly. Now the title class, I think I give the class in the UL because it is looking bad upward direction, so dash no, the outside of nav list is correct. I will figure it out later on. So in the nav bar we're gonna do this. Let's move to nav bar li ul li ul li. Yes, in this video we remove the dot around this and save. I did not save it and refresh it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna remove this dot. So list time none, so the dot is removed. See, now I give the font size also. Font size 20 pixel. This is the random values. I will correct it by checking. Yeah, this is correct. And now we back on navbar. Width width 4V, 5VH is enough, I think. And 5VH, sorry, width, sorry, 100 VW. I thought this is the height by mistake. In height 5VH is correct, I think so. And a background color black. This is the Emmet observation, or you can say code of black color in VS Code, like this. But this we gonna remove this overflow by one line of code, and the extra padding and margin given by browser by default, so 0 and body overflow X hidden. this is looking correct. And now we do target the title of our website. So title color, we're gonna give is yellow, and font size 25 pixel. I think that is correct according to myself. Yeah, this is correct. Now we move the anchor text towards center. So I will do position relative, and we're gonna move this right to left. There's 150 pixel. I think it is correct. So 250 pixel. No, this is also not. 450 pixel. Save it, refresh it, and this is correct. Now we target our A tags. Sorry, I am drinking water. Text decoration. The underline in below, this is looking very bad, so I remove it. Text decoration, none. And we're gonna do this, give some space in between them. So padding 2 pixel and 3 pixel. This is not correct, so I reverse it and check it again. 2 pixel and 3 pixel. This is random values, guys. I am just figuring out this is correct. Yeah, this is correct. Now towards title, font style italic, because I like that tilted font, and font weight bold because it is dark, I like. And here we apply text decoration, underline, this is looking very good, but this is stick towards left. I gonna make it right towards right. So title, position relative, and right 50 pixel. 50 pixel. So sorry, left, I went left by mistake. I written right, left 50 pixel. So it is row correct. Now the ankle tag, we target the ankle tag. So the ankle tag is stick towards the top, so I made a way towards center. So position relative in this also, and top I think 5 pixel is enough. Yes, it is enough. And the color is something like yellow, because I am making the website in the theme of yellow and black. According to your choice, you can adjust the theme. So font size I will try 20 pixel. I did not save something there. Oh, this is correct. No need of font size. Now add a hover effect. And hover means when the user is over the mouse of the element, so the element change its color or background color, so this is called hover, right? HOVER, hover. So sorry, parenthesis by mistake, curly braces, and background color yellow, and color black. Now this is look nice, but I want to make them round, so I give border radius to the navbar. Border radius 20 pixels. Yes, 20 pixel. And we gonna do this is the highlight of our website, that I'm gonna add some animation to this. Just wait and watch. Dot brand, you can write dot title, because I did not give the dot title because I give the class here. So in this first h1 tag, sorry by mistake, h1 tag, welcome to the world, welcome to the world. Now just styling the brand and h1 tag also. So dot brand, the class is targeted by dot in CSS, so comment down the CSS full form in comment section. This is your homework. Sorry, 100 VH, sorry VW, and here 100 pixel. So 10 VH is also good. Let's check it. Background color, I forget to give background color yellow. This is very short, so 15 vh. I think this is good. You can arrange the height according to yourself. Now move forward. In brand H1, targeting brand H1. So I want to make H1 to the center like here. So text align center, save and refresh it. So right position, this is at right position. So we gonna add a span tag with a id or class which is yours. So span tag and a id, change text. So you can guess which animation I want to make. So down. Yes, yeah. id, change text. Just checking I give the id or class id. I am correct. I am using a pseudo selector after, because I want when the animation is going on after the H1 tag. Hope you will understand. Animation, first of all the name of animation, change. You can write the name of animation according to yourself. Second, linear, infinite. So and content also, because we are changing content here like this. So we're gonna do this. Write keyframes. Keyframe is a keyword. When we write animation, we supposed to write this. Keyframes, change. So in 0% I want content, web element, environment. 0 to 25 web element is appears, and 25% content, app development. 20 to 50% the app development is visible, and 50% the content will change. Python, and 50 to 75% Python will appear to the screen, and 75% content will change Java like that. Java, and 75 to 100% the Java will appear, and 200% the content will be changed in something like JavaScript. save it and refresh it and check it. What happened? Text. What happened? Change. Oh, here I write small c. So now I save and refresh it. Now this website is working properly, but this the I want the animation on the this bottom of the welcome to the world. So I can do this using a BR tag, and BR tag, by the way, BR is an empty tag, right? That's look awesome, guys. Awesome, very awesome. Now we're gonna do this. We create the main body of our website. So let's move forward. So I add a class name dot info. The class and ID name is in your hands. So dot info. So just before the animation dot info. So I write height 100 VH, viewport height. VH stand for viewport height, and width 100 VW. Background color so this is look really simple, but don't worry, we are adding something great in this. So I forget something to make the navbar sticky. So I wanna make, so to make the navbar sticky, you will write position sticky and top 0 where the navbar is sticky. Oh, what happened? Top 0, Control plus S, and then refresh. The navbar is sticky. Now we're gonna do this work on our info class. So I'm thinking of card design. We will make the element like cards. Now you can't get it, I think so, the card. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. I read dot card. Sorry guys for the delay, I am drinking water. So in the card we are adding height and width. So height sorry, in HTML tag, sorry, in CSS. So dot card height is equal VH 100 VH, sorry, 400 pixels. I'm thinking of something like this is the random value 500, and I gave the height and width same 500 pixel, and now background color yellow, because my website is yellow and black theme. So let's move. Oh, this mixed with brand, so I will do this position relative. My computer is lagging so much. Position relative and top 25 pixel, I think that is enough. So yeah, that is enough. And left, because it's stuck towards left, so I will give the right tag, sorry, left tag, left 20 pixel. I think that is enough. Let's give, that is good. Now add some heading. CSS, this section of CSS. The length, I am checking the length of video. The video is quite long. Dot card h1, so card h1. In this we're gonna do that background color, sorry, background not attachment. Remove it, and background color black, text align center, color yellow. So save it and refresh it. Now this look in the body, but I can do something. I can make it right and bottom. Let's show you. So position relative, top 1 pixel, because I want to separate it from body, and to left also 1 pixel. That's look great. And we also adding a p tag. Now go on Google and write CSS, and the information on Google, copy it and write it on our tag. So control save and boom. So I'm thinking that there is a need of BR tag. and here a button attempt question, because I do that, I show a pop-up to a user and user can input through a pop-up. Let's show you input, and that path is full of JavaScript. Now attempt question. Attempt question. Now style the button. Dot add button. Dot card button, and I'm adding border to this border, 2 pixel solid and black. Yeah, that is right. And a border radius also, because I like the round factor. 20 pixel, I think that is enough. Sorry, 20 pixel. Control plus S and refresh. Ooh. Background color yellow. Now we're gonna do this. Make the button here in the center. So position, relative, top 50 pixel, and left also 50 pixel. So I think that left and do more 70. 70 is not enough, like 100. And font size is 10, no 20 pixel. That is enough. And now the JavaScript parts come. Yeah, or first of all we'll make another card of this kind. So write ID of and a section ID container. I am adding the section because I want to make different section in other video, but today we're gonna make this section only because the length of video is very big. 40 minutes video is come. So section here dot card 1 card 1 JavaScript br and p tag. So the styling is same between card and card 1. So to copying it, and add it card 1, card 1. So save and refresh. So we're gonna do display flex for aligning them vertically. So container display, so display flex. So this is vertically aligned. I thought so, yes, but this is very collide. So I add a position relative and I want to move to right, so right, left, copy this. This is adding on h1, and the but card 1 h1 also. So control plus v, the height for which what is happened, card h1 and card 1 h1. Okay, so in a p tag of card 1, so I did JavaScript the information, copy it, and paste it to the p tag. That is good. That is good. And now save and refresh. Save and refresh. Now this is looking good. Now the JavaScript parts come. Script, now we target let question button equal comment dot query selector. ID 2 button. Or instead of adding ID, I add simply the function on click show question 1. This is much less time consuming that the process that I am following. So copying it and writing a function show question 1, and in which we're gonna do this to show the user a pop-up. So prompt for the input pop-up, we're gonna use the function method called prompt. So I'll ask a question. This is in CSS or this is in CSS. So I ask a question to a user that from, you can, instead of prompt, you can use input method from HTML, from which sign does the ID is target. You know that is hashtag, I told you before. So if we using if else condition or condition statement in JavaScript, if let assign the prompt in a variable let answer equal to if answer equal to hashtag, you can alert. I am just checking my plan is different. I am just checking the if else condition is working or not. So alert correct answer so this function is working properly. So we add hashtag, it display the pop-up correct answer, so it is very good. And else condition, we're gonna check else condition also. Else alert wrong answer. Like I write dot, so wrong answer. This is working very efficiently. So we're gonna do this. I want when the user input correct answer, this card is having a color green and a text middle of this is correct answer. So shall we make move forward? Yeah. So first of all, display none for card, from which we can make the correct answer class. So display none. So in this class, first of all save and check it. Yeah, this is running perfectly. And having a class name dot correct answer h1 correct answer dot correct answer. So dot shall we copy from the upper correct answer. Or the height and width of card. Yellow text line center and position relative and top 50 pixel. I guess it is correct. Boom. What is happened? What is happening? I add class is class, but it is not visible. Oh, sorry. I add it is in correct answer and sorry card. So in the outside of card I will make this class. So save it and refresh it. Yes, that is correct, but first of all make it correction. So I'm gonna do this correct answer position relative top 20 pixel sorry 50 pixel it is whole lockdown but 25 pixel. Yes, 25 pixel. Yeah, it is equal to the card and left 20 pixel. Pixel and dot correct dot correct answer h1 position relative and top 50 pixel top 50 pixel and color green border 2 pixel solid and color green yes color green yes not in h1 tag and correct answer so by default I will in correct answer border 2 pixel solid green so 2 pixel is very thin so 4 pixel yes it is looking correct and a border radius very small border radius to make the vertex round border radius 5 pixel border radius little bit more 10 pixel yes it is correct so I am gonna do this display none for correct answer you are thinking if I want to give display none why I make it wait and watch display none and card display block so I comment this yes so control plus S save yes that is cool but I want to do this when the user give correct answer so the correct class is which I make correct answer class that is visible to user so we make the correct answer correct ns equal document dot query selector we save it and card also let card equal document dot query selector and so we want to do this when the user give correct answer so much notification is that. So when the user gives correct answer, the card dot, we're gonna use the principle of DOM manipulation dot style dot display lay equal, let's check the length of video, 1 hour, so much long. Correct answer equal 4, none. Correct answer dot style dot style block. So let's refresh and check it. Yes, it is working correctly. Now add a set timeout function. Set time function correct ns dot display style display none. Yes, it is correct. So refresh it. It is working or not. Wrong answer. So yes, it is working. But and this line lock. Let's figure out the problem. Let's ignore the function we discuss on later on. So comment out, and we make a wrong answer class also. Dot answer dot WNS inside your class WANS. We target this and write the properties of this. But change the color red and very light red, like here, yes, and red here also. Control S, save, and that is looking good. But H1 WANS WANS. So the color is red because this is wrong. So this is correct. When the user give a wrong answer, so let target let wrong equal document dot query selector dot WANS. WANS and by mistake I copied wrong this. We copied this and paste it here, and also this, but instead of why I am doing so mistakes copying this. Display below. So and comment out the card. Where is card? This is comment this display none and refresh it. Oh my god. My PC is very low and display none for the wrong answer. Display none. So when I give the function is working accurately and very efficiently. So this is the method of card second also, because I did not make the function of second card because the video length is very long. So you can make step to step the second also. So I want to make a footer also because the website has a footer also. So footer, heading can use footer tag, but I give the class footer. Footer. And give the p. Coders. All right. Reserve. Footer. Write the correct spelling or not. Just write the correct spelling. No dot footer. And write background color yellow and width 100 pw, height 5 vh, position sticking at bottom 0, that's pronoun and boom. Yeah, that's so cool, you know. So I do dot footer p font size text line center and font weight bold. So you can give the angle tag to your social media handles like Instagram, a tag, Instagram. I will give my social media handle link to the a tag Instagram. Sorry, they are not here. This is my Instagram ID. You can follow me. Lakshak007. Paste it and write target black. So back to website. So save it and refresh it. What is happen? Oh, I give the it is come, so we can give the a tag in span. So it come along with so we can do that dot footer display flags for vertically align so we can do footer p position relative left so pixel and save it and refresh it, and with a tag also. A and left 455 pixel, and that's it. That is for today, guys. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will continue this project in our next video. Till then, bye bye.